Welcome back. The Shriners have a very fun event coming up this Saturday that's all for a good cause. I'm joined in the studio this morning by Daryl Orender and Don Wheeler here, joining us to talk about a Sportsman event on Saturday.
Thank you. On Saturday, we have our annual Sportsman event. It's in conjunction with a 100-gun auction that we have going on. Daryl can go over the 100-gun, and then I'll go over the Sportsman event if you want.
Okay.
The 100-gun raffle is actually co-sponsored with the Shrine Temple in Wichita, Kansas. Okay. And that is where the drawings actually take place, and we simulcast them in our own temple. So we have food, fun, and games going on at that time, and the simulcast drawings occur about every 5 minutes until the 100 guns are taken care of, until they're all won. So.
Okay, so you're competing basically with everyone in the state for the, or just you guys in Wichita, or for
yeah,
the guns?
Their jurisdiction and our jurisdiction.
That's still a lot of guns.
Statistically, I mean, the percentage of the total tickets we sell pretty much matches the percentage of winners that we have from the Mirza Temple area. So awesome. Last year we sold 21% of the tickets, and we had 20 or 21 gun winners from our jurisdiction. So we do have quite a few winners from our jurisdiction.
What kind of guns are being raffled?
All kinds. The list, there's handguns, there's rifles, there's shotguns. It is a wide variety of firearms that are being raffled off.
So when you enter into the raffle, are you entering like a chance for all 100 or individual chances?
It's a pool. It's all 100. However, the gun that's associated with your draw is the one that you do win. Mm-hmm. So yeah, you really don't know that until it's drawn and it tells you which firearm that you actually won.
Okay, and how much are the raffle tickets?
They're $20 a piece and 6 for $100.
Can you purchase them up until Saturday, or is there a cutoff? Yes,
even
before?
Day of. This is done by computer, so as long as we get them entered, and we will be doing that Saturday, several people will buy them day of, mm-hmm. They will actually still be in the drawing. They'll have just as good a chance to win as if you bought them a month ago.
Okay, well that'll be fun to watch.
Yes, it is.
Let's talk about the event.
The Sportsman event is in conjunction with it that day. The drawing starts at noon on the guns, but we open our doors at 2 o'clock to 6. And if you bought a ticket, your ticket stub gets you in for free. Once you're in there for free, we've got free food, free beverage, even adult beverage. And then we're playing games for some guns that will be won just specifically by the people that walk in that door. Okay. So we've got several guns. We've got a hunting cabin that's donated, a 2-night stay. Stockstill's Hunting Cabin. It's out by Uniontown. We've got Albert's Marine going to be set up there. We've got various games and events that can be done, and that's just for the people that walk in the door that day. Right. So.
And you don't have to be like related to or connected to a Shriner to be able to attend this event?
No, this is open to the public. No. Anybody that walks in, come in, have a great time with us.
And for the 100-gun part of the raffle, you do not have to be present to win. For the guns that we're playing for on site, you do have to be present to win.
And those will be drawn on Saturday?
Yes.
As well? Okay. And I'm sure this is a great opportunity to learn about the Shriner organization as well. Tell me a little bit about your titles. You're the priest and the prophet.
I'm the high priest and prophet. Basically, we donate our time. Daryl's is worse than mine, but I've added up with all the stuff I've done. I'm giving about 500 to 800 hours a week in various Masonic or a year and stuff. And how it works is you join us, and we say thank you, and we get a little bit of dues. But then we ask you to do something, and then we give you a pin. Then we ask you to do a little more, and we give you a title and all. And sooner or later, you look like a North Korean general. I mean, I got this one because I went to the bathroom yesterday. And you're just... But once you've seen the kids, yes. the children that we have helped and the lives that you have impacted, and you hear the stories about what the devastation, and then all of a sudden someone says, well, we can fix this. And we do. And we are the best at what we can do. If we're doing it, we are the best in the field on the burns, the orthopedic, the cleft palate. And you saw that at the Shrine Bowl they had last week. We brought the children in that we had fixed, and they are fixed. It's not a patch, it's a fix. and we impact lives.
Yes,
Huge. And you provide transportation?
we do.
and-
We're supporting right now approximately 20 kids, and 3 of those we're flying either to Chicago or to Dayton, Ohio. The burn center is in Dayton, Ohio, the cleft palate, and some of the orthopedic is done in Chicago, and we pick up the tab for those and
There
make
are
sure.
kids from our area
Yes,
here?
they are all from our jurisdiction. That's true.
Okay. How big is
That's part of my
how big
job.
is our jurisdiction here?
11 counties in
11
southeast
counties.
Kansas. Yes, it goes from about Yates Center over to north of Pleasant and around Lacine, all the way down to the state line, and then about as far west as Caney.
Well, you guys have, it sounds like you have fun events going on like almost on a monthly basis. And I mean, the goal of that, you guys have fun, but you're raising money for the kids.
Yes, but we want to be clear about this 100-gun raffle is to finance our operations.
Okay.
We have to be clear about that.
Okay.
So, but we have to operate also to be able to serve our kids.
All right.
But we do have funds to take care of the kids' transportation, their lodging. We also do their lodging. We have 2 vans. Matter of fact, one of them just came back. I've got this going out again Friday or Thursday. Transporting kids to the St. Louis hospital. So, and we also reimburse the fuel for the people of our patients whose parents drive them to this hospital in St. Louis. So we do try to take good care of our kids, and our operations allow us to do that.
That's awesome. Okay. Well, thank you guys so much. Are we missing anything that we need to add for this weekend's event? No. Is there somewhere they can register online, or where do they get tickets for Saturday's event in advance?
www.mirzashriners.com.
Okay.
That is correct.
That's where they can find all that information out, or they can just show up right at 2 o'clock?
Show up that day, show up at 3. 2, show up at 1, we'll let you in.
Yeah.
When is the first drawing?
Noon.
Noon.
At noon.
Our drawing for the Sportsman event will start at 5:30
Okay.
for all the winners on that.
All right. Well, thank you so much for coming in.
Thank you for having
Hope
us.
you have great attendance this weekend.
Yes.
Thank you.
We'll be right back.